Today in episode 2, we will remove the doors and disassemble them. Okay, we're going to remove the doors, and it looks like they're 13 millimeter bolts, and here we go. Okay, apparently this isn't strong enough. We'll go with ½ inch. Okay, a little bigger hardware. Let's see how we do with this. Okay, something. Ooh. I think we'll take out the lower one first. Wow. Whew. Boy, that one looks stripped. That doesn't look so good. Huh, that's why it was a little snug coming out. Okay, try to support this door. I'm just gonna hold it, I guess. Okay, all right. This door's heavier than I thought it was. Ooh. Figured I'd take them out, take them apart. After I got them out, it'd be easier. I don't know. They used washers at the bottom hinge to bring the door up a little bit, I'm guessing. Okay, well, we'll go across the other side and do that one. So I ran into a snag removing the right-hand door. I will show you the removal in fast motion until we get to that issue. So as it turns out, there's a door check strap on the right-hand side that's still intact. On the left-hand side, it was missing, so now I'll have to remove that. Here's what I found left over from the left-hand side door, a broken piece of strap with a pin that's held in by a cotter pin, and it was very rusty. So we'll go ahead and remove the other side. There we go. Okay, I guess we'll start by taking apart the door. These screws here are somebody just used to keep the panel in. I'm gonna toss them. They're pretty bad. They look like sheet metal screws. Okay, these are Allen. To speed things up, we'll use fast motion for removal of the door card. Well, I didn't really want to do this or show this, but, you know, gentle persuasion, basically pried it out, trying to unscrew it. So, it is what it is. I'm going to guess these door cards are nothing special. I mean, the material looks pretty generic. Sure, it's reproduced, but the card here is pretty bad. So, I don't know if I'll hang on to them. Okay, let's take this out. This looks like tins. Jeez, I don't like Scotch tape to hold in your door seal. Oh, maybe it's packing tape. Step up from Scotch tape. First up, we will remove the 10 millimeter bolts for the roller mechanism for the window. These are surprisingly coming out very easily. I will say this, without the right tools, this job would be much harder. Looks like someone put some new rubber on it. Well, maybe I will. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to do rust on this if I'm gonna save it anyway. Oh, goodness sakes. Goodness sakes. Oh my gosh. Oof. Let's say a 13. Okay, this looks like this is a 13. Holds the window. Okay, let's go with a 10. Yeah, ooh. So you got a 5mm Allen. Yeah, that was easy. Okay, that makes sense. There we go. I thought this was a straight rod that had a spring clip holding it, but it wasn't, so that's why it was so difficult to get out. I was doing it the wrong way. Unfortunately, the window track bolt is fused and rusted, and I won't be able to get it out without grinding it out. That is the amateur way. And there we go. Now we'll work on the other one, and if there's anything new, I'll record it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing, take it apart and go from there. Well, I will admit this door seems to be in better shape, although I'm still not gonna keep the door cards. They're just not that great, but this door doesn't seem to have as much rust. I don't know if that's anything great, but yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.